I found another Charlie the Ranch Dog book. This one's called Rockstar by Ree Drummond. Yawn, stretch. Relaxing with Mama is the best after a long day of ranch work. Hey, check out that Rockstar dog. Cool shades. Everyone cheers for him. His life is so easy. I want to be like that rock star dog. No more working my paws to the bone. Goodbye to Charlie the ranch dog. Hello, Charlie the rock star. The next morning after breakfast, Mama calls me out to the truck. Nope, not today. Today I'm a new dog. I need time to hunt for the perfect outfit. You think so, Murph? Look at my mess. Somebody should clean this up. Hello, anyone? Oh, well, aha. Now I'm fabulous. Here come some of my biggest fans. My sister and brother will get all sweaty from ranch work, but not me. They say I'm the greatest. Watch the ears, please. They have to flop just so. I'm looking sharp. Now I need a pool with a big soft pillow and a giant umbrella beside it. I guess my picnic table will do. Toss, turn. Ouch! This table has splinters. What's that sound? Oh, right. It's hay hauling season. Hay. Hay isn't as soft as a pillow, but a dog can dream. I race out to the pasture. Daddy's on top of the hay monster. I hop on for a ride. I have to try out every bale. Ouch, this one is too scratchy. Achoo, this one is too dusty. Ah, this one is just right. I see Mama in the vegetable garden. The old me would be by her side, working away. But I'm a whole new Charlie. I'm living the good life. What's that noise? Who dares disturb my beauty rest? A dog can't get a lick of sleep around this place. I race around the garden. Out, you sneaky squirrel. Get slithering, baby snake. And you. Yes. Moo, moo. This garden is for rock stars only. I'll chase you out of here, cow. Uh-oh, my foot's all tangled up. Wobble, wobble, crash. Woo. Ugh, the scarf, these shoes. This stuff really gets in the way. Hey, where did that cow go? Finally, some sweet silence. I curl up on a hay bale. Mama scratches my belly. She says I chased away every critter and saved all her vegetables. Being a rock star isn't that great after all. Helping Mama is much more fun. Mama's got her camera. One last photo shoot. Hats are a good look for me. Get my good side. Put a piece of bacon in my mouth. After dinner, it's snuggle time. My family scratches me all over. They thank me for my hard work. The ranch couldn't run without me. The rock star life isn't as easy as it looks. Tomorrow I'm back to being a working dog. My fans will miss me, but the ranch life is the one for me. Time for bacon. The end. That was cute. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys.